You're joking. It's been on manual focus the whole time.
So won't you say my name, say my name.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a very last minute choosing out New Year's Eve outfit videos. I ordered this packet like a week ago, and since it's been Christmas and everything, I didn't get time to pick it up before the 24th when everything was closed. I realised this package had came like an hour before they shut the shops, and that was just like so annoying for me because I knew I wanted to try these things on and film this video and get it up before New Year's, which is going to be very stressful for me. I picked it up today on the 27th, it's Friday today, and I'm currently filming this the same night. So this is not sponsored or anything. I got this for my own money because I was like, what am I going to wear this New Year's? Like, I have nothing that I want to wear. So I thought, why not make this little fun video? I picked out a couple of things I'm going to just try and haul. If you aren't following me on my socials, please do. I post there more often, and subscribe if you aren't already. I guess let's just get into this video. I will try and link the items down below if they're left. A lot of things were selling out really quickly when I was ordering, so let's go. There's so many things in here, like, okay, so this is the body that I ordered in a UK 6. It's got like a nice material. It's quite a shiny, like silky material. It's got the cups for the boobs, which I'm a little bit iffy about because I think my boobs will be a bit bigger than that. And yeah, it's just a body. It looks quite high-waisted, which is nice. The cups are actually not stiff. They're like bendy, if you can see that. That's a bit of a relief. So okay guys, so here's the body. I quite like it, but like I don't like the way it makes my boobs look, and also I'm kind of insecure about this part of my body. Like, I don't know, I just don't think it's that flattering on me. But for anyone who's used to wearing like tank tops or anything that's quite naked in this department would, I think, really love this. It sits really nicely otherwise. Okay, next thing I got is in blue, and I'm really excited for this. This is an Asos design petite wrap mini dress, which sounds really nice actually. I got it in a UK A in the colour steel blue. I can't wait to try all this on. I'm just like scared that nothing's gonna be nice enough. And a struggle for me with dresses, because I'm only 5'2", is always that if there's a nice dress I found and it looks really good on the model, then it's going to look too long on me, and I don't like when they're too long because I feel like it's like an awkward length. So I love that Asos have this petite range. They also have like plus size, and they have other really good like sizing things. So it's a wrap dress. I love the colour of this. It's got long sleeves and it's pretty short, I'd say. I'm just afraid about the cutout. Like, is it gonna be too booby? Like, but I guess I will figure it out somehow. I should be studying, like writing my Spanish essay now that's due on the 1st, but no, I'm not. 4 days left and I'm doing this. Okay, I really like this dress, like the colour of it and everything, but I think it's just gonna be too uncomfortable in the boob area. Like, it's not as bad as I thought. Like, you can always like fix it some kind of way, and I could definitely have it, but it is a little bit tight in the arms as well. I don't know, it is a really cute dress though. Oh, this is the dress. I'm doing this in no particular order, I'm just opening it. This is like a pleather bodycon dress. Oh, I didn't know I ordered the one that had that. I don't know how I feel about that thing. Like, it reminds me of like the tie tops that used to be really in like 3 years ago, and I hate that now, but I love that it's got like a square neck. We'll see how this looks on. It was quite stretchy. I got it in a UK 8, and I don't think this is petite, but it still looks quite short actually. So I'm hoping, I don't know what I'm hoping is gonna fit at this point. Like, I have no clue what I want to wear. I'm continuing in vlog format because my camera just died, but I really love this dress, and I've decided that I'm gonna keep this dress. Oh my god, oh, okay, this is another dress. This is the kind of thing that I see Instagrammers and like influencers wear, and I'm just like too scared to try it on me because I feel like it won't look good on me and it won't flatter me, but I ordered one anyway. I got this in a UK 6. Yes, it looks like this. It's got like that, and then it's got a t-shirt kind of look. Yeah, as you can see, it doesn't look very party-ish. It looks like a big t-shirt dress with buttons, but then you get this, which is where you cinch it in the middle. So I'm hoping this is not going to look too boxy. So I don't know, I'm really iffy about this one. You'll see in the trans section what I thought and how it fitted. I actually really love this dress and I didn't think I would. Like, I actually feel like quite nice and confident in it. I think I thought it would just be like too long and look really big and oversized and baggy on me, but I think it kind of does in a cool way, and because it's not too long it still feels like nice and feminine. The only thing is I think it might look a bit like closed up here. I'd like it to be a bit more open, but I really like this dress actually. This one's definitely in the running. I think they were the only 3 dresses I ordered. I'm gonna look in my bag and see. Actually no, I remember I did order another dress and here she comes. This must be the last dress. This is...
How does this work?
So this is like a little strappy dress, a little black dress in like this silky material, and it's got this like, what's it called? A cow neck? No, it can't be a cow neck. It's got like, you know, the kind of necks that go like that. I don't know, it's just like floppy. So it's a little black dress and at the back it's like very strappy and kind of like open, as you can see, which I quite like about it. Got it in a size 8. Take care when wearing to avoid snagging. What does snagging mean? I'm really confused with the back, guys. Is there a tie? Someone's gonna have to help me out with this. I guess you just tie it somehow with someone's help, probably. Okay, this dress is like nice and everything, but I think it's just a bit too baggy here, and like in the back it's a bit baggy as well. Like, I don't know, I just think there'll be better options, but it is a really nice dress if it would have fitted perfectly, but unfortunately it just doesn't, so... Thank you. Next. This is probably one of the things I'm most excited for. This is Topshop vinyl straight leg trousers in black. Got them in a UK 8.
Warning, this bag is not a toy. To avoid dangers of suffocation, keep out of reach of babies and children.
Oh wow. These feel really good quality. Hey, what's that? I didn't see that. Oh well. I guess it's if you want to hang a chain or something, like be a bit extra cool. This is a new filming location, by the way. I'm filming here because I thought I could easily stand up and like show you the pieces. So these are very interesting. Also like nothing I ever have. So this haul is like kind of branching out of my comfort zone, but I think I love the look of these like vinyl or pleather or whatever you would call it trousers. So they're just straight leg like that. On the model, I'm pretty sure these were quite short, but because I'm so short, I think these are going to be like a comfortable length for me. They've got pockets in the back, which is amazing. They've got real pockets and they feel really nice. And they've also got real pockets in the front, fake zips. Well, that's fine because they've got real pockets. They've got belt holders. This is looking bright, guys. If they fit in the waist and the bottom, they're going to be nice. I'm hoping these are going to look good, guys. I'm hoping and I'm praying. I really like the trousers. They're just a tiny bit big. And I think they were quite expensive as well, but they're really comfortable. I just don't know if they're as flattering as I hoped they would be. I'm gonna have to like think about it. I mean, it's time some tops came in. What is this? Oh yeah, this is nice. Okay, I got this in at 8. I thought this could look good with the vinyl trousers that I just showed you. And it's just like this, and then it's got this really cool, I don't know what you would say, mesh, like see-through puffy sleeves, which has been very in recently, so I'm excited about that. And it's a crop top. Looks really nice, and I can see that in my head. I feel like that could be a really cool outfit. Hoping it will be. Okay guys, I really like this top. Like, it's really, I think it's really nice and flattering. It's a little tiny bit itchy, but it's nothing like super annoying. I definitely don't think I would think about it after a few glasses of whatever. Okay, last items. Okay, I've got 2 of the same items but in different sizes. I got these trousers in a 6 and in an 8. So this is the 6 because I thought these were stretchy, that maybe I could do a 6, but they're glittery flowy trousers, guys. Isn't that so cool? They're from Pretty Little Thing. They're probably gonna be way too long for me, but I don't know, if I'm wearing heels maybe that's fine. So these are the pants in size 6 and they fit really nicely. They could be a little bit tighter, I feel like, around the waist, but they are really nice and they sit really well. They're also not too long. Now I'm gonna go try everything on. You will have already seen everything, so please comment your favorite outfit down below, what you think I should wear, if you have any style tips, or just like, what are you gonna wear this New Year's, if you're even gonna celebrate. Yeah, I've decided I want to keep this dress because I think it's like more flattering on me than the boxy dress, which I also really loved. And I'm also gonna keep this top and these trousers because I really love them, even though they're a little bit big in the waist. I I really like them, and I think I will be able to get a lot of use of these out of these other times as well. And I'm gonna get a belt. I really want to do a 2019 recap video, like one of those artsy videos with music. I've already started on it, but I think I'm gonna have to put that to the side, and since I've got my like Spanish under control, and also I would rather get this video up because it's like New Year's themed. So yeah, don't forget to check out the links down below if you wanna get anything that I showed you in this video. I love you all so much, and I wish you all the best in 2020. I'm really looking forward to this new year, and I think it's gonna hold so many new great experiences and growth, and I'm just feeling really good about 2020. So I hope you guys are as well. I'd love to hear a little bit more how your year went also in the comments. I love chatting to you guys. So yeah, don't forget to follow my socials if you aren't already. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!